Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Lexus UX300 Hybrid, and let me tell you, Lexus has made some interesting changes to their entry-level luxury crossover. Let's start with the biggest news: power. The new UX300 Hybrid now packs 196 horsepower, up 15 from last year's model. In our testing, this little Lexus sprinted to 60 in 7.7 seconds. Sure, it's not setting any speed records, but that half-second improvement over the old model makes a real difference in daily driving. Merging onto highways feels more confident, and you're not constantly hunting for power when you need to pass. But here's where things get really interesting. Despite the power bump, fuel economy has actually improved. We're looking at 45 miles per gallon in the city and 41 on the highway for front-wheel drive models. Even if you opt for all-wheel drive, you're only losing 1 mpg. These numbers are seriously impressive for a luxury crossover, and they might just be the UX's secret weapon. Step inside, and you'll find exactly what you'd expect from Lexus: quality. The dashboard looks fantastic, with premium materials everywhere you touch. There's a new digital gauge cluster that really modernizes the cockpit, and you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Spring for the optional 12.3-inch touchscreen though. It's worth every penny. But here's where we need to have an honest conversation about the UX. If you're shopping for a proper crossover, you might want to think twice. The back seats are pretty tight for adults, and the cargo space? Well, let's just say you'll need to pack light. We managed to fit just 4 carry-on suitcases back there. A BMW X1 will swallow 3 more. Think of the UX more like a premium hybrid hatchback, and you'll be a lot happier. On the road though, this thing is a pleasure. The ride quality is excellent, soaking up rough pavement while still feeling nimble in city traffic. Our F Sport model came with adaptive dampers, which are nice to have but not essential. The whole package just feels refined, exactly what you want from a luxury vehicle. For 2025, Lexus has also upgraded their safety tech. The new safety system plus 3.0 brings better emergency braking and improved lane centering. And if you're worried about hybrid reliability, Lexus has you covered with a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty on the hybrid components. Now let's talk price. The UX300 Hybrid starts at $37,490, making it the most affordable way to get into a new Lexus. Our test car was the F Sport handling model, loaded up with goodies like a head-up display and that striking copper crest paint, bringing the total to just under 49 grand. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 UX300 Hybrid is better than ever, with meaningful improvements in power and refinement. No, it's not the most practical choice in this segment, and no, it won't outhandle a BMW X1. But if you're looking for a premium driving experience with incredible fuel economy and that legendary Lexus quality, the UX300 Hybrid makes a compelling case for itself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.